If there's one thing that you should know about me, it's that most of the time, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is one of those times. A good place to start any project is on a piece of paper. I didn't do that. I had an idea pop into my head, and I decided to take it out on this unfortunate pile of MDF. Now the end goal here is to make a lampshade out of concrete with 4 interlocking pieces that lock in with 4 pieces of acrylic. Since MDF and concrete are not really a very good pair, I'm sealing the MDF with wipe-on poly. And coating them with paste wax. And PAM. Yes, the cooking spray. It's a really good concrete release agent. Truth. Fits. It's perfect. Oh, look at that. Sick. That's super cool. The footprint of this thing was way too big with the windows the size that they were. I mean, seriously, this thing has to sit on a desk. It can't take up the whole top. I'm burning off all the fibers that are sticking out of the concrete. started this lamp project, I didn't have a plan of what I was going to do. I just wanted a concrete top shade, maybe some concrete in the bottom, maybe some walnut, maybe some plywood, but I didn't have a drawing, I didn't have a design. I just was totally winging this as I was going. And this is where I'm at with it. The base idea was this, which fit in here like that, and that hole was for the switch, but just broke. So, and I didn't really like the way it looked. My original idea was to have the radius here carry on down to the concrete down here, and just have the wood up one side with concrete wrapping the other three sides. In my head, it looked really good, but in reality, I didn't love it. I wasn't feeling it. So tomorrow, I'm going to redesign the base. The top I like. I don't know what you think, but I think these stainless steel rods that I put in here to give it the kind of floating look, I think I'm going to shorten these down just a little bit because I don't want to see as much in there. But yeah, design, winging it. So I'm inching up on this to try and get the reveal to be the same all the way around evenly and get the miter to be exactly in the middle of the corner here. I think I pretty much got it. I'm not measuring, I'm just eyeballing it. I mean, why not? I've eyeballed everything else on this project.